Welcome to Bestsellers Market. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage products on Amazon. These top-notch organizers and storage solutions are designed to keep your creative space tidy and efficient, helping you bring your projects to life with ease. Without further ado, let's get started. Introducing number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon, we have the NOVELINX Transparent 4. Presenting number 4 on our top 5 best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon, the NOVELINX Transparent 4 inches x 6 inches, photo cases and clear craft keeper with handle. This isn't just a storage box, it's a revolution in organization. Imagine a clutter-free space where every photo, craft supply, and office essential has its place. This organizer is your perfect partner in keeping your home or office pristine. With snap-tight closures, it ensures that your cherished pictures and family photos are secure and protected. And thanks to its extra depth, it can even accommodate larger items with ease. Inside, you'll find 16 individual 4 inches x 6 inches photo cases, each capable of holding up to 100 photos. That's a staggering total of 1,600 photos. Whether you're a passionate photographer, a dedicated scrapbooker, or simply someone who treasures memories, this storage solution offers unparalleled convenience and accessibility. The exterior dimensions of the box are 12.0 x 14.8 x 5.1 inches, while each photo case measures 4.75 x 6.70 x 1.23 inches. It's not just about size, though. This container boasts a robust build that's not easy to break, and its strong load-bearing capacity ensures it can handle whatever you throw at it. Perfectly clear and beautifully designed, this storage container isn't just functional, it's also a stylish addition to any space. Say goodbye to clutter and chaos and hello to a new era of organization with the NOVELINX Transparent photo cases and clear craft keeper. Don't just organize, transform your space with this exceptional storage solution and experience the joy of a tidy, efficient environment. Introducing number 3 in our top 5 best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon, the ARTDOT Diamond Painting Storage Containers. This isn't just storage, it's a masterpiece in organization. Picture this, all your diamond beads perfectly organized in one compact box. With 64 tiny containers, each measuring 2 x 1 x 1/2, you'll have ample space to keep your crafting supplies in pristine order. No more searching for that elusive color. Everything is at your fingertips, easy to find and beautifully arranged. The ARTDOT storage system isn't just about capacity, it's about intelligent design. Each container is transparent, and with 196 label stickers included, you can effortlessly organize your diamonds by color code. This see-through feature means you can instantly locate the exact shade you need, saving you time and enhancing your crafting experience. But the versatility doesn't end there. This multifunctional storage box is perfect for a range of small items. Whether it's jewelry beads, diamond painting drills, nail jewelry, or even pills, this storage solution adapts to your needs. Its outer box, approximately 8.5 inches x 5 inches x 2, is designed for portability, allowing you to bring your supplies wherever your crafting journey takes you. Worried about satisfaction? ARTDOT has you covered with a refund or resend guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied with your diamond painting box, they'll ensure you get your money back or a new package hassle-free. Transform your crafting organization with the ARTDOT Diamond Painting Storage Containers. Elevate your creative process, keep everything neatly arranged, and craft with joy and ease. This is the storage solution you've been waiting for. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon? Well, don't let your craft supplies get out of stitch. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a thread. Presenting number 2 on our top 5 best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon, the OUTUXED 2-pack 36 grids clear plastic organizer box container. This isn't just storage, it's the epitome of versatility and convenience. Crafted from high-quality PP hard plastic, these clear organizers offer both substance and transparency, allowing you to see exactly what's inside at a glance. Measuring 10.8 inches in length, 7.0 inches in width, and 1.8 inches in height. Each box features 36 adjustable grids. Need a different compartment size? No problem. Simply move the horizontal dividers to customize your storage space. The packaging ensures that these organizers arrive intact thanks to a shock-proof shipping box. This attention to detail guarantees that your storage boxes are ready for use as soon as they reach your doorstep. Imagine the possibilities, organizing your beads, art supplies, jewelry, fishing tackles, or even electronic components. Whether you're a dedicated crafter, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who loves keeping things neat and tidy, this storage solution is designed to meet your needs. With 5 sheets of label stickers included, finding what you need is easier than ever. Organize your rock collection, store your favorite earrings, rings, and necklaces, or keep your fishing hooks and lures neatly arranged. From letterboard letters to pills, nuts, and bolts, the applications are endless. And the best part? Our products have been rigorously tested to ensure quality and durability. OUTUXED is committed to providing you with a satisfying shopping experience. If for any reason you're not completely happy, our after-sales service is here to make things right. Transform your organization game with the OUTUXED 2-pack 36 grids clear plastic organizer box container. It's time to elevate your storage solutions and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-organized space. And now we've arrived at number 1 on our countdown of the best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon, the Iris USA Portable Board Game Organizer Plastic Project Storage Case Box with Snap-Tight Latch 10-pack. This is not just storage, it's a pinnacle of organization and convenience designed to meet all your needs. Crafted with pride in the USA using global materials, this storage case offers an effortless solution to keep your board games, school supplies, office essentials, and hobby items neatly organized and easily portable. The clear plastic design lets you see what's inside from any angle, making it a breeze to quickly locate exactly what you need. The convenience doesn't stop there. The snap-tight latch ensures that everything stays securely inside, protected from dust and liquids. The molded handle makes transporting your supplies a breeze, allowing you to take your projects wherever you go with ease. Maximize your space with the stackable design of these craft caddy containers. Whether you're storing board games, craft supplies, or important documents, you can keep everything separate and organized. Add stickers or labels to the cases and you'll be the ultimate organizer, turning chaos into order in no time. With dimensions of 12.2 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 1.6 inches in height, each BPA-free polypropylene case offers ample space while being slim and easy to store. This versatile storage solution is not only practical but also designed to enhance the efficiency and tidiness of your space. Elevate your organization game with the Iris USA Portable Board Game Organizer. It's time to embrace a clutter-free, efficient lifestyle with the #1 storage solution on Amazon. Your projects, hobbies, and supplies deserve the best, and this storage case delivers exactly that. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling craft and sewing supplies storage on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top picks, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.